Hey there, team. We are on our last video to model equations, and this is the division. Um, so we're going to start out with equations that are um, dividing two numbers. Ultimately, we end up um, only needing to divide by that one number, not have a number out front. Sorry, let me explain. We are not going to be doing 3/4 x. Okay, we will only be doing x divided by 4. Okay, 3/4 x ends up being a multi-step, two-step equation, so we will not be doing those. Okay, so um, this time we'll have less than one variable. So we have our variable, and you're only going to need one. You're going to need multiple constants. So if we were to model in front of us, half of a variable equals 2. X over 2 equals 2. 1/2 of a variable equals 2. So right now we have a whole variable. So how are we going to show that there's a half of a variable? Well, the great thing about these is they can be written on with an expo marker. So you're going to have your students just get a little expo marker, and you're going to take your variable and you're going to shade just half of it. So half of our variable is worth 2. Okay? So can we do this in our head? How much is a full variable going to be worth? Okay, so we want to, of course, use a process and understand the process so we can use it with larger numbers. So now the bar is split into two equal parts, so we need to duplicate those parts. So that's a way. That's where we get our language in here. Duplicate. What operation are we using when we duplicate parts? So we are going to take this and we are going to take this part and duplicate it a second time. So it's duplicated a second time, and if we duplicate a second time, that little section was worth 2, and this section is worth 2. Okay, so what have we done? We have duplicated it 2 times, and we did that 2 times. So we are essentially multiplying by 2. So how much is our whole variable worth? Our whole variable is worth 4. Okay, so you will do that with multiple different examples. You can do it into thirds if you need to. First example up here is x divided by 3 is 4, or x split into 3 equal parts. A third of a variable equals 4. So then 2/3 of our variable will then equal 8. And our whole variable will then equal 12. Okay, so we're doing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. We're duplicating this 1/3 3 times. So you will have x in 2/3. One of those thirds is equal to 4. So if we're doing that 3 times, and we're doing that 3 times, our x is worth 12. Okay, so that is how we would model. Oh, I'm sorry, let's do a negative example. So if you were to do a negative example, we're going to do x divided by -3, or negative 1/3 of a variable is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, this one's a little much. I'm going to say 3. So we're going to duplicate that. Okay, so a third of our negative variable is a positive 3. So another third of our negative variable is going to be another positive 3. And then another third of our negative variable is lastly a positive 3. So we have taken and duplicated it 3 times. Okay. And it is currently negative. So we're going to do the action that we did earlier to make it a positive. If we flip this side, we have to then flip everything on this side. Okay. So we have taken the opposite of those 3 groups. So our variable is now worth a -9. Okay. Next we will move on to the pictorial, where they will draw x into 3 groups. Might be easier to even draw these. Is 5. So if we were going to make another group, duplicate that. So we have multiplied by 3, a total of 3 groups, and our x is equal to 15. Okay, so on and so forth, and you can show that with modeling by simply, having your negatives and changing them over to positives.